Hi, and welcome to this section on regular expression literals. Now in the last part we looked at object literals, and I said that if you have any questions on that part, just let me know and I'll be able to help you. Now let's move on to regular expression literals. Now what's a regular expression? A regular expression is a pattern that is used to match characters and character combinations in strings. So if you have some text, you can match something that you want to find. If you have a pattern, you want to find certain characters, maybe you want to find emails that are within a certain text. You can use regular expressions to extract those emails. Maybe you want to find names which have a first name of John in a certain document. You may use regular expressions to match a certain name and then return those or replace those or remove those. So there are lots of different things you can do with regular expressions. In this section, we are just looking at regex literals, and a regex literal is a pattern which is enclosed between the slashes. Now, you'll just declare your pattern in there, and once you declare your pattern, that is a regex literal. Like for example, in this case, our pattern is hello. So we're going to test. We're going to test pattern.test in this statement which is in here. Do we have the word hello? Yes, if you look at this, the word hello and the word hello, it is here. If we come down, so this one will return true. If we do .test will return a Boolean value. So bear in mind, we're just looking at regex literals here. We are going to look at regular expressions later on, and regular expressions will be a section on its own. Just wait for that section if you want to learn more, or you can go ahead and just go to MDN, that's the Mozilla Developer Network, or you can even go to MSDN or wherever you like to get your knowledge from. Just go and learn more about this if you want to learn more about it as soon as possible. But we'll get to that when we get to it. Now, our pattern is hello, and you can see this has a capital H. Now, as you can see, our pattern here has a capital H, and this one also has a capital H, so this one is going to match true. But for this one it has a small h, so it's not going to match. But there's a way that we can do it so that it can even match the small h. Now in the next video we're going to see a couple of examples. We're going to test this and it's going to return to us the value of true, and we're also going to see it return the value of false. So in this section we've started looking at regular expressions, literals, and a regex literal we've said is a pattern that is enclosed within the slashes. So you can put your pattern in here. It can be as simple as this. It can be very complex. You can create patterns that match emails, that match domain names. You can create patterns that even replace certain characters. You can create patterns that when somebody enters their domain name and they don't add the HTTP or the HTTPS, you can automatically add this for them. So you can see patterns can be simple or they can be complex. So in the next video, let's start looking at an example. Let's look at these examples on Scratchpad. So I'll see you in the next video.